Last one.
Okay, here's the last one. People are convinced that there's a glitch in the Matrix after a plane is spotted not moving in the sky. Well, it's a Willie Do special right here. There's going to be a hell of a thumbnail and title on this. A video of a plane seemingly hanging in the air has gotten people questioning whether life is really just one great big glitchy simulation. Oh, WTF.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It does look like it's just hanging there, doesn't it? You have Mo's attention.
It does look like that, but...
Go ahead. But it's not.
I mean, you have two vehicles going in different directions.
Yeah.
Of course it's going to kind of seem like it's...
It's really well done. Like, as far as...
Yeah.
As far as one of these clips goes, I love how real it seems. You know what I mean? The way it's filmed and the WTF.
Right.
Definitive proof we're living in a video game. It would be really amazing, though, to have that actual experience. If you're just walking down the street and you look up and the plane is just frozen there.
Sure.
Yeah.
What would you do? You start calling people. You're recording it.
Yeah,
Definitely.
It's hard to move on with your day. Like, I don't think you just continue to your next stop, do you?
Calling people is funny, but yeah.
TikTok user by the name of Tanya posted a clip with the caption, "Glitch in the Matrix. This isn't the first time I've seen this in Chicago either." Video gets 1.2 million views, and then people are baffled. "Dude, this confirms way back I saw a plane stay in one spot and looked at everyone around me. They thought I was nuts."
It's always a rude voice.
Can't no plane just sit in idle?
Yeah.
It's definitely a glitch. Indeed, there were loads of people who attested to observing similar baffling sights. But yeah, let's call it a glitch in the Matrix and abandon all our prior beliefs. Why not? But obviously, that's not what's going on. It's got to just be going in the other direction, and it appears like it's not moving, right?
Yeah.
Let's see here. I don't suppose that... Wait, what is all this? What is all this text? Did they ever get to the conclusion here?
Yeah, I think it's in here somewhere. But apparently it's just when two objects are coming close by, it may appear that one is just
Okay.
just frozen.
Yeah, okay, basically what we thought from the get-go.
Yeah.
So no glitch in the Matrix.
And maybe the plane was just a lot slower. It's just not frozen, but just hovering slowly, making its way.
Well, it's low. It's probably landing or taking or whatever.
Just
yeah.
taking its time.
Oh, no, yeah, you can see the landing gears out.
Chilling out.
The landing gear is out. It's right near the airport there. Huh?
There you go.
You're right near the airport.
Yeah.
Figured it out, guys.
Got to the bottom of that. Wait, it doesn't mean we're not living a simulation one way or the other. It doesn't prove anything one way or the other. Neither does anything else.
Uh-huh.